Finally, we arrived to Barcelona.
Yes, we only use the bus, the underground, a Shipa tram, and this train for the airport.
I think that you get lost there. Nonsense. The problem is that the transport is horrible.
Te vas el pitjor quan es nota.
Sí. Excuse me, amigo from Catalonia, Barretina, guitarra, cagar. Yo mucho gusto, Messi.
Do you know what is a park well?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Park well, Antoni Gaudí.
Pere, aquest senyor vol anar a carrer Antoni Gaudí.
Don't left, on right. Pásate más por ahí. Don't left, don't right. Okay, perfect, bye.
Are you sure, Daddy?
Of course, let's go. Look, the Cathedral of Barcelona.
Are you sure, Daddy?
It's not very big. Excuse me, this is not the Cathedral of Barcelona.
This St. Martin's Church is very beautiful.
I'm finding in the map because you aren't in Barcelona. You are in Sant Boi. These Catalan people are always joking.
They were searching the parkway when they arrived to the park of La Montañeta.
Finally, we arrived to the parkway. In the photo seems to be different.
Perhaps this park is new.
Hello, sporting people.
¿Qué?
Where is the ground?
Raúl, ves en compte que aquests no estan bé del cap.
I think they don't speak English. Amigos, toreros, butifarra, and aliole. We are buscando parkway.
Where is it? In Barcelona.
We are in Barcelona.
Now you are in Sant Boi, and this is the park of La Montañeta by Fofaki.
They are really fun. All day joking.
But that's what mom. After 1 hour, they arrived to the city hall. Oh, the city hall of Barcelona and St. Anonymous Square.
It's wonderful, but it's not very big.
Mira aquests turistes que es creuen que estan a Barcelona. Anem a explicar-li que no és així.
Good morning. I'm sorry, but this is the city hall of Sant Boi.
What?
This is the place where the mayor of Sant Boi works.
And where is Barcelona? You need to go to the train station.
Okay, let's go.
I'm sorry for the confusion.
No, we have discovered a beautiful town. We love Sant Boi.
We'll come back with our friends another day.
Here you are.
Thank you. Bye.
See you soon.